Why is it that no matter how hard you work, you still find yourself struggling to get ahead? You followed all the advice, you save, you budget, you even pick up extra shifts whenever you can. Yet, at the end of the month, there's still nothing left. It feels like you're running on a treadmill, exerting effort but going nowhere. But what if I told you there's a reason for this? A reason that the wealthy understand deeply, and they don't want you to know about it. The truth is, there's a fundamental difference between how the rich and the average person think about money. This isn't just about working harder or cutting back on your daily coffee. This is about a mindset shift, a way of viewing money that, once you understand it, can completely transform your financial life. Let's start with the basics. Most people are taught that money is something you earn by trading your time for it. You go to work, put in your hours, and you get a paycheck. But here's the secret, the wealthy don't think like that. They understand that time is a limited resource, everyone has only 24 hours in a day. Instead of focusing on earning money by trading time, they focus on how to make money work for them. The rich invest. They don't just save, they invest in assets that generate income. These could be stocks, real estate, or even businesses. The key here is understanding that your money should be working for you around the clock. While you're sleeping, while you're on vacation, while you're spending time with family, your investments should be growing. And that brings us to one of the biggest secrets the rich keep to themselves, compound interest. It's often said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and once you harness it, your money starts to grow exponentially. This is how small investments made today can turn into significant wealth over time. But here's the thing, most people are never taught this. Instead, they're taught to save in a low-interest savings account, where inflation slowly eats away at their hard-earned money. Let's talk about another crucial aspect, diversification. The rich never put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their investments across different asset classes to protect themselves from risk. This is something that anyone can start doing, even with a small amount of money. Whether it's investing in the stock market, purchasing a rental property, or even putting money into a side business, the goal is to have multiple streams of income. But it's not just about where you put your money, it's also about understanding your financial habits. The rich have a deep awareness of their spending and saving habits. They know where every dollar goes and ensure that each dollar is working towards building more wealth. This means living below your means, but more importantly, it means being smart with your money. It's about making conscious choices that prioritize long-term wealth over short-term gratification. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm barely making enough to get by. How am I supposed to invest or diversify when I'm struggling to pay the bills? And that's a fair question. But here's where the mindset shift comes in. It's not about having a lot of money to start with, it's about starting with what you have and growing it. Even if you can only invest $10 or $20 a month, do it. It's not about the amount, it's about building the habit of investing and letting compound interest do the rest. Another point I want to make is about debt. Debt is one of the biggest traps that keep people in the cycle of poverty. The rich understand this, and they use debt differently. They leverage debt to invest in assets that generate income. They don't use debt to buy liabilities that drain their finances, like cars or expensive vacations. Understanding the difference between good debt, debt that helps you make more money, and bad debt, debt that drains your finances, is crucial. And let's not forget about taxes, one of the least understood aspects of personal finance. The rich understand the tax system and use it to their advantage. They know how to legally minimize their tax liability, reinvesting those savings back into their wealth-building strategies. This is something everyone should take the time to learn, as it can make a significant difference in your financial situation. The path to financial freedom isn't easy, and it won't happen overnight. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are worth it. Imagine not having to worry about money ever again. Imagine being able to retire early, travel the world, or spend more time with your loved ones, all because you made the decision to take control of your finances today. So, if you're ready to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and start building real wealth, this is the place to be. On this channel, I'm going to share with you everything I've learned over the years, from the mistakes I've made to the strategies that have helped me build a successful financial life. Together, we're going to explore the world of money, investments, and wealth building in a way that's simple, actionable, and, most importantly, effective. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm committed to helping you take control of your financial future, and I don't want you to miss a single video. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step with me today, and let's build the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.